guys, gotta get faster at the rubik cube, so you want to hold, you want to hold your hand, and you hold your fingers right here, and so you can just do like that, and you hold your pinkies, or this, or you like this, or like this, either one. I don't have to prefer, I kind of use this one more though, but, and you can also move the middle layer by holding these two, and then you get them right here, and to turn the face right here, to them right here, and then you do that. But that's just easy way, so like, I don't have a really good method for moving like that, but this is what I do mainly. I do so that's just how to get faster at it by using those finger tricks. Bye.